Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video regarding the Eclipse. I looked online and I figured that this might help some of you guys who have problems with these side mirrors. So as you can see, this has been painted and I installed the side mirror right there. So today I'm gonna show you how to actually install if you break one of these glasses on either side, how to install them and how to replace it. So here it is, brand new, painted, and there's the mirror. So today I'm gonna show you how to put all this together, because it's a pain, just in case you don't you have one of these motors broken, so you don't have this mirror working. So I'll show you how to do it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright, so let's start with installing it. I'm not gonna talk in this video. I'm gonna probably play a music in background, and I'm gonna speed things up so you guys can see how it works and actually enjoy some music, of course. So yeah, it's pretty much a simple thing. It does have some stuff that you have to pay attention on. If something is important, I will however tell you about it. And yeah, let's get onto it. Alright, first important thing that I want to say is you have to, the grooves over here and this one have to actually go inside these spaces right here and right here. So for me to easy know where it is, I will actually cut where those grooves are. I'll just cut a little piece, a notch. Or if you have one of those white markers, you can do that. So yep, so let's get onto it. Alright, so now, since you have all this pushed in, alright, there is this metal, I would say a clip or safety piece of wire. So right here, I don't know if you can see this, but right here, there's a notch. Right there, there's a hole. Right there, there's a hole. Right there, there's a hole. And then right here, there's two plastic holders, or whatever you call it. So what you want to do, let me show you that again. Once you put this inside, you want this piece to clip inside there, to clip like that. And this is pretty much how it's supposed to be inside when it's all clipped. See it? So yeah, let's do that. That way, that's how you lock this on there and it's secure. So let's do that again. Alright guys, so that's pretty much how you secure it on there, right? So now your glass is secured on there tightly. You can, once you install it, it will go left and right or wherever way you want it to be. Alright, so now you can pop it in these two holes. And of course, put your screws on. Where is my... Alright. One more right there. One more right here. There it is, guys. Installed. So yeah, once you have it all installed, this is how it looks. How do you take it off? Well, it's pretty much backwards. You unscrew these three, and then you can tilt this one and then take off the safety clip again. And yeah, all you have to do now is place this I don't even know what this is. I guess it's a dust cover to protect dust and maybe moisture to go inside between the light, between the side mirror and the chassis. So I guess that's what it is. And also it's probably protecting from rattling noise and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, guys. Like I said, I've been looking online and I couldn't find it. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you guys. An easy, it's not hard, but it's not easy as well. So I'm sure you guys can do it. I did it, and like I said, nothing difficult. Just pay attention on the clips where this goes. Also the rubber seal that protects from the water going into the main motor that actually controls this mirror. So yeah, pay attention on that. Installment is pretty easy, 8mm. Once you place this, you screw it on, 8mm. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you like it, share. Of course, consider subscribing, guys. It helps a lot. It helps me a lot to continue making these videos. It actually makes me keep going and producing content for Eclipse and other cars. So yeah, thank you again, and of course, stay safe. Ladies.